I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here tonight for the Quick and Easy Meals weekly collaboration. This collaboration is hosted every Sunday evening at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Jean Home Decor and More, and me, Jennifer at Home. We are going to be putting together some meal prep for the week. My husband and I are going on a trip to Arizona to see our daughter, son-in-law, and our little grandbaby, and they're going to be going away on a little staycation. And my husband and I are going to stay with the grandbaby over the weekend. We're so excited and we can't wait to see her. We're going to get some recipes together and put some food together that we're just going to take with us. We don't want to trouble our daughter and son-in-law. And besides, this is actually a surprise for our daughter. Her husband's taking her on the trip and she doesn't even know. So we're going to take our own things over with us, and that way our daughter won't find out and our son-in-law won't be troubled with worrying about what we're going to eat on the weekend. Let me show you just what I'm going to pack for our trip. I'm going to get busy making this wonderful chicken parmesan. I have some oil heating in this skillet. I'll get it really nice and hot, and then it'll be time for me to cook up the chicken. We're going to make a homemade sauce for our chicken parmesan. I was making the chicken parmesan for dinner, and I went ahead and made a couple of extra pieces that we can take with us when we go to our daughter's house to surprise her and babysit our little grandbaby over the weekend. So my husband and I will be taking our food since our daughter doesn't know that we're coming, and we don't want any extra work for our son-in-law. So since I love to cook, I went ahead and put together some wonderful chicken parmesan to take with us. And to keep it so simple, we're just going to make sandwiches out of this. I bought some really nice rolls and some different types of wheat bread, and I'll go ahead and package this up. And then we'll just put this in the freezer, and when we go, we'll easily be able to take this out and put this in our cooler to take with us. I had some extra chicken for when I made the chicken parmesan, and I'm going to make some homemade chicken salad to take with us on our trip. I'm going to be making homemade egg sandwiches with eggs, bacon, and cheese for my husband and I to take on our trip with us. We always used to stop at McDonald's on the way, but we always got eggshells in our Egg McMuffins, so I always make them now homemade from scratch and just take them with us, and we eat them on the road. I'm also making some corn on the cob to go with our wonderful chicken parmesan tonight. We usually have a Caesar salad with it, but tonight we were really wanting some corn on the cob. I purchased some celery, and this will be a wonderful snack for my husband and I to have at our daughter's house. I'll get this all chopped up and put in a plastic bag that we can travel with. My husband really loves having pretzels in the car when we travel, and besides, they're not messy at all. I'm going to take some Sun Chips, and we'll take some granola bars to add as if we get hungry along the way. I'm also taking some apples and some bananas, and if we want, we can also dip our apples in a little bit of peanut butter at our daughter's house for a cut up snack. I'm going to make a super simple chicken salad that we can just wrap in a couple of little burrito shells. So I'm going to add in some mayonnaise, and the chicken is already seasoned really well, so I'm not going to need to put anything else in here to season this chicken. Just a little bit of mayonnaise, and then I'm going to add in some chopped pecans. This is going to be a rustic chicken salad. Now I'll just mix this up. All right, now let's put this in our container and get it packed up so we can take it on the trip tomorrow in our cooler. And here's how it turned out. Wonderful grilled chicken salad. Everything we're taking is going to go on one shelf together, so that way in the morning we'll be able to easily pull everything off the shelf and we won't leave anything behind. And here's how our wonderful chicken parmesan turned out. Provolone cheese slices on top, and they're melting right now with our wonderful sauce. I am so happy you are here. I appreciate it so much, and I would be really happy if you click the like button and subscribe. And don't forget to check out Anna and Jean's channels. They'll also be hosting their videos this evening as well. I'll see you next time.